often do you ride the PeopleMover at Magic Kingdom? Fill in the missing word in the PeopleMover spiel. Post how many you got right in the comments.
Please stay clear of the doors, they will close automatically.
Tomorrowland friends, Metroliner non-stop, now departing Rocket Tower Plaza Station for a round-trip Super Skyway tour. Welcome aboard, TTA travelers. We hope you enjoy Tomorrowland Transit Authority's Super Now approaching Tomorrowland Interplanetary Convention Center. The Convention Center is host to a galaxy of new ideas from other The Tomorrowland Metro Historical Society presents Walt Disney's 20th Century Vision for the Future. For your convenience, the ground crew and many Star Traders will be glad to rocket to any planet in the galaxy. Tomorrowland travelers, this is Mr. Johnson and Sky One, bringing you the latest Tomorrowland traffic report. As usual, everything is perfect on Tomorrowland Superhighways. Back to you at TTA Central. Presented by Federal Express.
Greetings, Space Mountain Dispatch. High-speed rockets are now all intergalactic information.
Attention, all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing vehicles clear of oncoming Metroliner vehicles. Thank you.
The centerpiece of Rocket Tower Plaza is the League of Astro Orbiter.
Remember, line passengers, for all your future travel needs, the TTA services all of Tomorrowland's outlying areas. Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Your party has arrived. Please give them a ring.
To save the universe from the Emperor Zurg. Featured today at the Metropolis Science Center is the greatest invention of all time, a machine. Be sure to stop by and meet the customer. He'd love to take the time to take you through time. and believe in the of tomorrow.
For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping hands, arms, feet, legs, and other inside your car. And please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically.
This is the Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky.
For your safety, if you have jetpacks or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to Green and Red Line.
Did you know progress inspired and a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World? Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actually, those are the marks.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Park.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks of the cosmos for a bit of light competition.
This is 75.
Or as the locals call it, Spaceman, our high-speed rocket port to distant deep space destinations.
Let relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy. The moons of Pisces 7. You H2 owe it to yourself. Book today.
Paging Mr. Morrow. Mr. Tom Morrow, please contact Mr. in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
To your right is the Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep ahead, and so does the carousel.
Now approaching Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor.
Mike Wazowski has brought in some real monsters of comedy. Whether you have one eye or Take the time to see this show. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we're concluding, this is always my favorite part. Because now is the time. Now is the time to go out and explore tomorrow. Today.
Please keep arms and other appendages away from the doors and remain seated until they open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car.